Throughout my time at school, I always had a really keen interest in maths and physics, but later on I knew that I wanted to do something that was more hands-on so I could actually create solutions.
I've always been interested in technology and I really liked the idea of doing something practical.
When I was young, I always really enjoyed solving problems and using science and maths and seeing how that can be applied to the world around me.
Electronics and electrical engineering, or EEE for short, is a very broad subject area which covers the fundamental building blocks of most modern technology, everything from communication systems and mobile phones through to medical imaging devices in healthcare. We have three major degree programs: Electronics and Electrical Engineering, Electrical and Mechanical Engineering, and Electronics and Computer Science. And each of those programs come in two varieties, one as a 4-year BEng and one as a 5-year MEng program.
One of the strengths of the degree is the fact that our teaching is very much research-led, and our research is leading at an international level. This means that the people who are delivering your lectures, who are assisting you in all your classes, are right at the forefront of their own research field, working with companies and developing technologies.
So you're going to get taught by experts in the field. You're going to get taught by people who are active in research, who are pushing the boundaries of the subject further forward while you're working alongside them.
One of the things I like the most about my job is actually leading students into understanding what electronics is all about. So when I'm working in the lab with the students, maybe working on a circuit, talking about a problem in analog circuits, or we're maybe trying to do some frequency analysis, then for me, the best part is when I see the students really understand a particularly difficult concept, and the student realizes, now I understand what's going on. And that for me is probably the best part of the job that I have.
Electronics and Electrical Engineering is such a fantastic degree. It allowed me to have such a wide range of job opportunities, and choosing the University of Edinburgh was the best choice I could have made.
We've invested heavily in teaching in the School of Engineering in the past few years, particularly in electrical power engineering, as we have refurbished labs and brought in new equipment which is industry relevant. It's important for students to be able to use equipment that they will be using in industry upon graduation.
I chose to do the electrical and mechanical engineering degree because the joint degree gave me a bit more flexibility in what courses I did. And also electrical and mechanical has a huge focus on power, and the power courses are really interesting.
There is a huge demand for electrical power engineers because of the need for energy efficiency and the need to generate electrical power in a clean and sustainable way.
I teach the latter years of the analog circuits stream at Edinburgh, and that's a topic that's been strong here for the last few decades, in fact. It's one of the reasons that you see a cluster of very strong electronics design companies in the local area.
Indy likes to work with the University of Edinburgh because their graduates have very strong knowledge across all the fundamentals of electronics and in analogue design in particular. My advice to anyone thinking about starting a career in electrical and electronic engineering would be to just go for it. There's a wide range of different career options within the industry, and you're sure to find something that you enjoy.
It's a tremendous benefit to our students that we have these really close industry links, and it feeds into our degree programmes. The MEng placements offer the students a fantastic opportunity to spend 6 months working within a company as part of their degree.
Working in the world of radar is something I never imagined I could do, especially when I was a first year at university. It really shows that the possibilities of engineering are endless.
If you're thinking of applying to university and really enjoy solving problems, I'd say that electronics and electrical engineering is a fantastic choice. There's lots of great career opportunities in a range of industries and a growing need for engineers around the world.
If we are considering coming to Edinburgh University to study electronic and electrical engineering, we are coming to the right place. You've got the right people, you've got the right facility, you've got the right equipment, and you've got the right atmosphere to be the best you can ever be. And this is the university at the forefront of this discipline. It is a decision that will change your life.